Good morning.
Welcome back to Middlefield Custom Sawmill. Steve is back again today. Yes, we're wearing the same clothes, probably because it's almost the same day, right?
Yep.
Today, we have this strange looking log. I don't know if you can tell what this is, but it's old. It's been on the ground a while. There's some bug holes. There's this big crotch at this end. It looks amazingly like that honey locust that I had, except this one is Steve's. We got them at the same time, and now we're sawing this one. So, honey locust on the sawmill. So that'll give you a good idea what it looks like from this side. We'll walk around the other side. There's actually a little bit of bark left on this one. So that's what honey locust bark looks like. This one had a branch here. It's got a hearth here, one there, and one there, and one over here. So yeah, this should be an interesting piece of wood. But we're just going to slab it, what, 2-inch slabs, Steve?
Yep.
Okay, so 2-inch slabs. And well,
here we go.
Start cutting, yeah.
Nice. We'll just put this on here for now.
That's pretty.
Yeah.
I mean, even for the first cut,
That's
really
gonna look
good.
sharp as we get in there. Very good.
So here's what's happening. This sticks out and it's going to hit that. But I think if we cut through, the blade is far enough in front, I think we can get through.
Huh?
I think we can just keep cutting through just like you just did.
Okay.
But see, it's only out here at the last 2 inches here. So the box will be back here when the blade comes through the end. That's going to be close too.
Good.
That side needs to move out. Yeah, we hit right here, so
Yes.
I can trim a 1/2 inch off if you want,
Sure.
and we'll get by.
Yeah.
Or we can flip it now.
Nah.
All right, so a 1/2 inch.
Well,
Let's trim a 1/2 inch. That'll work.
you think?
Yeah.
Or,
Yeah, it's
what's the
just
easier,
enough
2
because
doubles?
this is back, so we'll just
Yeah.
make it flat.
Okay.
All right, so we trimmed off this corner. I think we can get by this now. Yeah, we'll see. I'll shave just a hair more. Here, you can hold this. And
All right, I'm back. I'm sure everybody's happy out there.
Oh, I didn't take quite enough. After this cut, we're going to have to roll it. And when we roll it, we're going to have the uneven side against the stops. So that's going to be really interesting. All right, let me get over here. Where's the cut coming in? It's right there. So that should be enough.
Yeah, let me get the.
It was just up here that I had to
Yeah, I
take
know.
it off.
It was so very little. Back up, the blade will pop off. Yeah, I know I did that on mine. I should have known better.
All right, hold that, huh?
Nip,
Cut the
nip.
knob. That'll be enough. Ha. That's not going to be enough.
That may have done it.
Yeah, I think so.
All right. That may have done it. Log shot now.
So push it back forward a little bit before you start it. Towards me. Yeah, good. Now you're in the clear. You can start it up.
Ready?
Yep. over. There you go. Oh yeah, we're gonna have to get a, wait. Let's see what this. Scrape it off. I want to get pictures as we go. All right, so we pulled that first slab off, and there's no crotch yet, but there is some nice spalting, and the wood looks really pretty.
Yeah, it does.
I mean, that's some nice looking wood.
Very nice.
All right, hang on, I'm gonna have to come over there. Is there anything?
I don't know. There we go.
Yeah, well, there's something right here.
Starting.
Yeah, there's something right there. I don't know what. Well, there's this branch coming out this way, so you're gonna have a crotch there. That one, it doesn't appear to be starting yet. Hopefully we'll get into that. Let me put this, hang on, don't. You need help, that's too heavy for one person.
By the time the horse and buggy got here to take me to the hospital, shit.
I'd have to take you on the skid steer.
Oh yeah, that's sweet. Look at the colors in that.
Yeah, that looks nice.
Yeah, very good.
All right, so we did look at this already.
It was here.
And there's nothing there, so we're just going to roll it. And I think what I'll do is I'll pick it up and turn it around when I roll it so that that flat side is still against that side.
Okay.
Because this is going to stick out otherwise.
All right.
Thing.
There, let's fire this puppy up.
All right, we rolled it over. We're going to saw it from the other side now. We have fire! So we should probably look at the wood and see what we got, and then decide if you want to make 2 or 3 slabs out of that bottom piece.
Okay.
Now we've got it clamped, so we don't need to leave the ones on top.
Okay.
So we can just move them off for now.
All right.
I'm just going to stack them just like this.
That's fine.
We're going to come right back and do it the same way. Go right on top, I guess. And then these we'll pick up and we'll go set them on what's on there, and then we can put these back on top.
Okay.
And then put that one right on top of that. Let's scrape
Yeah, I
this
want to see
off.
what that looks like.
Yeah.
You get the camera, I'll get the broom. Oh yeah.
Oh. Now let me see that effect. Oh, we got a little bit of a dip.
I heard it kind of bog here. Right here.
Yeah. Yeah, because it got a little wide.
It's all right. That's why I got planters.
We'll just go really slow. That's pretty though. Let's throw some water on that.
Let me get those dog bones off of there.
Dog bones?
Hey, they look like dog bones.
All right, go ahead. You grab the water. I'll let you. No, you can throw it.
Oh wow, I get the.
You do the splash, yeah.
I've come a long way. See what a couple days of labor get you?
Oh yeah, that looks good.
Oh yeah. Wow. That center's beautiful. Look at that. Oh yeah, that's gorgeous.
That's some pretty honey locusts.
Yeah. Just
So-
enough bug activity.
So let's measure this. How thick is this now?
We were at 5 3/4.
5 3/4. So you're going to do two 2.5 inch slabs.
Yeah, one would be 2.5 and the other one, well, yeah, the other one.
Either
would be
that or you got to
larger.
do like a 1 and something, which is not with that lump. I wouldn't.
No,
I would go 2.5.
I'll do yeah. So
One
that'd
cut.
take me, let's see, it was at 5 3/4, 3 3/4, 3 1/4.
Just go down to
3
2.5.
Yeah.
If you go down to 2.5, the bottom one is 2.5 exactly, and the top one is 2 5/8. That is pretty.
We good?
Yeah.
Fire up.
Fire up.
Away.
Oh, that little buddy of yours there. You know what? Let's move this off because I want to see what's under it. Oh, you're gonna have to come on this side.
Ready?
We could just throw it on top of that one.
Yep. Ready?
Yep. All right.
Let's see what we got here.
Got a little lump. But this is flat. No, almost flat. That's pretty.
Yeah, it's 3 inches there. So plenty of room to work with it. Nice.
Throw the rest of this water on there.
Great. Take a gorgeous picture.
Yeah, even over here, that's gorgeous. Look at that, that's like 3-dimensional. Huh. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. And then going down this way, it's a nice straight grain with that reddish color to it, orangey red. I'm not sure what that is. It looks like a crack.
Yeah, it's pretty
yeah.
nice looking wood.
That's really pretty. Make a pretty table.
Yeah.
Show the whole piece here. Get down there so you get a sense of size. Put your hand down there or something. Yeah, so that's a big piece of wood. Steve's got big hands, so yeah. Okay.
Got a lot of character. All right.
So we got it all loaded. There's the Honey Locust on the trailer.
Steve was too lazy. He didn't take the wood off from the other day.
Yeah,
Still got the oak on there.
He still has his log on here from the other day. So anyway, there it is. He's loaded up.
Yeah. Don't let Chris see this.
Yeah.
He'll be freaking. There's too much weight on there.
Thanks for watching. Hope you had a good time.
Happy holidays.